Hi guys, so this is my analysis on AVAX. What am I expecting on AVAX? If you watched my previous analysis on it, I was saying we are on an uptrend at that moment, and my target was around these two levels right here. That was where my target is. My negative 27% and negative 61%, and we can see we got to around that level, which is beautiful. Before we now see that we came here and it gave us like something like an head and shoulder pattern, right? And it's now continue to push to the downside. So what am I expecting next based on the current price action? I'm expecting a possible move. So I'm expecting two scenarios, right? I can draw a trend line from this to this right here, right? Let me delete the fib since this fib has been done successfully. So we can see based on this analysis I'm seeing right here, right? We can see that we are currently on a bearish move. I can also still draw a trend line from here to here just to show us there was a breakup structure around that area, right? So what am I seeing right here? I'm seeing a possible move to at least push to this downside. Yes, there's different scenarios I'm saying. We just have to be a little bit more patient to see what it gives us. So let me draw further this previous trend line right here. So I'm seeing different scenario. Yeah, I think the structure is giving us more of a bearish move. We can see an impulse, a correction of more of like a ascending channel, then continue to push to the downside. I'm seeing that happening. That is what I'm seeing. And we can see right here my overall target is still around this level. My second overall target around that level. So that will be my next target that I'm looking into. But we just have to wait and be patient. So I said there's a possibility we might come to this level because there was an imbalance here that needs to be filled. So I said we can continue to push up to fill in the imbalance and push down, and it did similar to what I think it will do. So like I said, so I have a few scenarios that might happen now. There's a possibility we might push down to this trend line right here, and we can see based on our parallel analysis there's a rejection of here, there's a rejection of here, there's a possibility to my reject of here, at least come down to touch this previous trend line right here before we now zoom into the downside. So I see a possible scenario that it might still come up a little bit even when it falls to this, push up a little bit to now give us first touch, second touch, a possible third touch for it to now push to the downside. That's my first scenario. I'm saying another scenario is we might not even get there at all. So we might just come break this trend line right here. We see we test around this trend line, then we to just continue to push to this downside and to my next target, right? So we just have to be a little bit more patient to see what we have seen overall. But so let's just wait and see how it go, but I'm still seeing it to at least come to this level right here. So I'll be patiently waiting for it to come to this. Then this will now determine if you're going to push to the upside a little bit or if you're going to continue to the downside. So this will be my next target, and this other side to my next target. So those are my targets as of right now. So hope this is insightful, guys. Don't forget to share, comment, and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching.